So thank you very much, Sammy. Thank you very much, Robin. So you are a teacher here in Brussels, a school for farriery.
Yes.
And you are equipped with the Metron-Hoof software.
Yes.
And so how this tool is useful for your teaching?
We use it to make our own material to teach the students.
Yeah, and if we get a horse and we see some kind of a problem, we can look and we can say like this side is too high or too low, and we can prove it with the material, so the students can see it easily. So okay, it's like 3 or 4, and then it's much easier for the students to see and to learn and to follow the whole process.
When you are an experienced farrier, you can see the thing, you can read the hoof, but for the students it's not always easy to read the hoof. And with the Metron device, it makes them easy to read the hoof. So that's why it's such a useful tool.
Yes, okay. And yes, especially, for example, when you have a difference between inner and outer walls, you said, and also for a negative Pama angle.
Yes, that's why we use it a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, and we are very happy to welcome you among our users.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.